Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some things that I got from Black Friday. Stay tuned. So I am so excited about my Black Friday finds that I purchased, all from small Black female-owned businesses. And I did not purchase any hair care products. If you know me and you've been to my home, you know that I legit have my own beauty supply store filled with hair products. So I don't need any products, but I did purchase some goodies. Let me show you what I got. So again, I got 3 packages. I'm opening up all of these packages right here with you guys today. First package is from Pretty Lady Candles. This is from one of my girlfriends who has started her own business, candle company, right here from Chicago. Leave all of her information in the description box so that you can support her and her business. So let's get into opening this box. And I literally just opened up the box and I can already smell the candles. This is what it looks like inside of the box. Everything is nice and secure. Let's get into these goodies. So first things first, we have a little insert that gives you some information on how to use and take care of the candle. Love this. Ooh. And then we also got some free candle melts that were thrown in there. Love the gifts. And I can literally smell this through the packaging. Let's get into the candles that we purchased. Love all the secure packaging. So first candle is coconut mango. And I literally smell it already. This is giving me relaxing spa day vibes. So excited about this. So that's candle number 1. And candle number 2 is also coconut mango. So I got 2 coconut mango candles. Oh. I cannot wait to light these babies up. This is my second purchase or third purchase from Pretty Lady Candles. I purchased a variety of candles and they all smell amazing. So you definitely want to check her out. So next up in my Black Friday shopping, I got a package from a company that I have been wanting to try for a while. But when sis drops, you gotta be ready. You gotta stay ready for these drops. And this is from Fancy Homebody. So excited about this package. So let's open it up and see what we got. so excited about this package. So in this package, we have 2 things for me and 1 for my one and only daughter. So we got 3 of the sets from Fancy Homebody. Let me show you what they look like. So these are all the same set, just different colors. So it's like a jogger. It says Fancy Homebody on the front. Long sleeve shirt. And then it comes with the pants that also say Fancy Homebody there. And it has the tapered in. So excited to wear these. We'll definitely be wearing these for dress down days for work, out shopping, hanging out with the girls, you name it. Fancy Homebody, okay? Because that's basically me. So we got it in black. I also got it in gray. And then this one is for my daughter. So excited to wear these. I think I'll probably drop a video for you guys, let you see how they look. So stay tuned for that. I'm about to show you guys the little insert from my package from Fancy Homebody. Definitely support this small Black female-owned business. Okay, and last but not least is another package from a small Black-owned business. This is Runway Label. Let's see what we got. And I will also be doing a try-on haul for these items as well. So first things first. Love, 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 love the color of this outfit. Let's open it up so you guys can see. And the material feels so good. So this is a 2-piece pant set. So here is the top, long sleeve, button up in the front. And then the matching pants with the wide leg. I cannot wait to rock this. So you definitely will be seeing this in a try-on haul real soon. That's outfit number 1. Add 2 more. This is definitely a neutral color haul. So the second one is the oversized hoodie dress. Long sleeve with the hoodie. Super cute. You can rock this with gym shoes. You can rock it with boots. You can rock it with heels. Can't wait to rock this either. And last but not least, outfit number 3. Is this super cute jogger set. So the mission clearly is cute and comfortable because that's what we're doing. So we have this super cute drawstring hoodie. Love this color as well. And then these super cute and comfy joggers. Now, I absolutely love the joggers that have this little part at the bottom because I absolutely hate those wide leg joggers, but this is definitely a look as well. This can be dressed up or dressed down. And I'll show you all of that in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have enjoyed my Black Friday purchases. Again, I'll leave all the information in the description box where you can support these Black small-owned businesses, Black female small-owned businesses. So we started with Pretty Litty Candles, and then Fancy Homebody, and then Runway Label. Check them out in the description box. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.